Oh, look at that. That's so he can be at work on stuff and fix things. That's a 7-year-old's job. How do you like that, Andrew? That's from Uncle Marty and Aunt Tracy. Yeah, you can put it right back in. Oh.
Would you put that card over there, honey? Thank you.
Boy, people know what he likes, don't they? Do all boys like trucks like he does?
This is soap!
It's a baseball player?
It smells good too.
Yeah.
Give it so. Now
At
put
least
it
he's
back
keeping
in.
things moving.
What? Love Uncle Jim, Auntie, Lars,
Aunt, A-U.
Jam. Someone.
Good.
Coloring book. Coloring book.
We don't have tags with all of them, but you're just writing them down.
Whoa! Clothes!
Let him open it.
What did you...
I'll read this. Oh, they're coloring.
What is that, Andrew?
I thought it was...
Open it. Hold it up. Let's see it.
I thought it was a card.
Open that up, honey.
Oh, sure.
What? Look at Grandma now. Oh, that is nice.
Okay, everybody move away.
How's that, all right, to
You
play
like
baseball?
that? You can use that for your baseball uniform.
Pants might be a little long.
Look at your other present. Yeah, Carl.
It's from Mommy and Daddy and Gina and Rebecca. You can
He's
just
gonna
open
go
it.
crazy about it.
What do you think it is, Andrew?
Let him open it. Let him open. Jonathan, let him open it. Hey! Hey!
That's all right, you can untape it.
You can help him open the tape, you guys. Jane, that unhooks on the bottom. Right by your right hand. Squeeze it.
Come here. You got
He's so young.
That's what he wanted.
Okay, he's got to put his arm
All
over
right.
like
Oh, my goodness.
Andrew Bradley, how do you like that?
Wow.
No. Hey, look at everybody in empty can.
Oh, yeah, last year we went. He liked to provide anything in hand.
Put his hand on.
all right.
Oh, look at you.
It's going. It's
Come on,
sliding.
Kevin.
I can see it's gonna burst.
Ready?
Wow! Whoa!
Give it a good one, Kevin.
Oh!
You know, one of the little guys ever breaks it open,
Okay,
you're gonna get
Jacob,
cramped.
give it a whack. Watch the. Oh, here
here
comes
she goes.
Rebecca.
Okay, little Michelle, here you go.
Whoa!
Hit it.
Whoa!
Okay.
She gave it up. 2 tries.
Hit it on the bottom. Hit it on the bottom. Hard. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. Well, does everyone get a bag?
One bag.
One bag for everybody.
Hey, Todd.
Everybody got one. Here, Kathy.
For my birthday.
I gotta make sure everybody got a bag. Tell them don't eat the suckers. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Andrew. Happy birthday to you. Blow 'em out.
Now to eat
Good
the
job.
hamburgers.
Good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you.
Put a smell.
Where are you going?
Mama, I played a trick on Daddy. I put my bread in his shirt.
You going
Sure.
camping?
Turn around, Rebecca.
Easy trick on Daddy.
There's the pack rat cat.
And I played an easy trick on Rebecca. I put the bread in her back. Okay. Look at that. Again, Rebecca. Are you starting to see me play extra chocolate milk?
That's that blanket you've been hoping for.
How's that?
Now you
Rebecca, don't stop
can, you
on
can
it.
read all these things. What does it say?
Bunny tail sewing
Hey,
shop.
come on up here so I can give you a good hug and a kiss. Oh, babe.
Open it up and see.
I love you.
I will. I'm waiting for Gina to. No, I'm waiting.
Yeah?
Gina's
You know that, huh?
Help her, Mother.
Oh, here, honey.
We don't have to be buddy-buddy every minute of the day either, right? Do you like all those Christmas decorations?
Here, honey, I'll show you about it. I'll show you, I think. I don't even know
Whose
how.
birthday is it?
We'll probably have to have a mechanic like your mother open
Huh?
that. I don't even know how to open it.
Jesus Christ.
Okay, you got another one to open here, so we'll let
Yeah.
here.
Aren't you glad that he was born? Yeah. Could you imagine
Oh,
what
Michelle,
life would
will
be
you
like
take this
without
one?
him?
Sure.
Oh, man.
Now let's see. Whose is this? Oh,
How come you're so cute?
give that to Papa to give to Rebecca.
Oh, Rebecca, you got
we
a
got a
present.
present.
That's
for
for
you.
Pop and Grandma.
Thank you.
Hand it up. Yeah.
Thank
Let me
you.
work on this.
You want to open it
Gina,
up?
that's sewing.
Hurry up.
Let me see how you open it.
Just rip it. That's how you.
Look at Gina.
I'll help her.
Oh,
I'll help her.
I got all the, I got all the.
Help for your brothers. Holy mackerel.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, what is
That's
that?
a box to put stuff in.
Now open it.
It's
open
like
it
a,
for her.
a hard face purse. Right? Oh, wait, honey.
Huh?
Look. Take a look. Take a look first. See?
What is it, Gina?
Bunny tail
What do you
sewing
got here?
machine.
Wow.
You got a sewing machine. You can sew and put your sewing stuff in the sewing box. That means you could sew.
Boy,
like
I don't know. Grandma didn't check this out.
Oh, it's inside there.
All right.
Oh, a sweater.
Hey. Look at
Did you
that.
think to bring her sweater
Isn't
and
that
scarf?
pretty?
Yeah.
Does it look warm? Let's see.
I'll
Does it
just put
feel
something
warm?
else on her today.
Oh, boy, is that warm.
It opened it.
Is it really?
The other
Like
one's
that?
So I'm gonna double it and put it in.
Thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
See, I think you're working like, you're gonna have to let your mother work with that, huh? Okay? Shall we put it back so nothing happens to it?
Yeah, don't try it. Want help? Okay.
That's for you
Grab
and
the
Tom.
paper.
Thank you.
Whoop.
Good thing it wasn't glass, Andrew.
Yeah.
Sweatpants.
They're lighter than sweatpants. They're like the ones Michelle wears.
Thank you very much.
Those will fit me good during my pregnancy.
Where's my other present?
I gave you 2 presents, didn't I?
What do you say to Pop and Grandma?
Did you like that new sweater?
You're welcome.
Who's got? That's a 4-foot-high pool, folks. This has been plowed once already today.
Look it. That's Rebecca's.
Show her what it does.
You got a cradle. And it rocks. Yes, and this is your cradle. That's your baby's bed.
You like that?
Look at it, rocks. You go like that and rock the baby. Rock the baby to sleep. See?
Empty your stocking.
No, wait. He already emptied hers.
Good
I knew when
morning,
I
everybody.
heard something. I didn't hear it. And he didn't come into the room.
No, he
I
didn't.
came down. Yes, he did. I came down and your whole stocking was all over the floor.
Andrew,
He didn't.
don't say
Your
what was in
sneakers
it.
on. He said, I hope I get what she gets. Get your sneakers on. Okay, you guys want to give each other your presents first and then you do your stuff? Where's the one to mom? Okay. Okay, open them up, guys. Let's see what Rebecca got for you.
Let Andrew and then you open yours, Gina.
No, they're all right, huh?
You sure?
Yeah. Open them up. Got quite a few of them.
Wow. Oh, she's hot.
What is that? It says Toronto Blue Jays on it. It's a baseball with the baseball. It's Toronto Blue Jays. They won the World Series.
That was an expensive baseball.
Okay, Andrew. Okay, that's from Andrew. Open them up.
Thank you, Andrew. Where did all these?
The new Barbie boy. Summer Dream. It's named Summer Dream.
How do you like?
Daddy, what's his name? Summer Dream.
You can name them whatever you want.
His name's really Summer Dream.
Yes, it is.
Dad,
You're right. That's what it
I read
says
on
there.
the back.
Here's Tiger. Can I do baseball?
Yeah.
She's gonna name him
This'll
Steven.
break
Okay.
the broken
Open it up,
egg.
Rebecca. This is yours. Let's open it. See what you got.
Mama, I can play this outside when the girls are. Oh, bottle.
There's a bottle for your baby.
Oh, that's
You can
help
feed
her
your
open it.
baby. Rebecca, you can feed
She's
your
all
baby.
set for the day.
Turn it upside down. The milk goes out of it. Look, turn
And
it.
then you
No,
put it,
see?
and then you put it back down, and then it looks like the milk goes all back in again. Like you're
You
filling
like
your
that?
milk again.
You can
See
feed
how
it
the
to your
milk is
baby.
going.
Okay, let's do the next one. Gina, you give yours out.
Andrew, Rebecca.
Open up, Rebecca.
She has to feed her baby.
Open up. Rebecca.
You're all set. Oh, you can put it right there.
There you go. Okay, open up.
Okay. You don't believe it, you got
Neat
it.
opener. Got one neat opener over there. What is that?
I know.
Gina picked that out especially for you. What is it? And what does it have on it?
Baseball.
You want me to open it for you?
You
Wow.
got baseball stuff, Andrew. A ball.
What a
It says
coincidence.
Andrew, this says Toronto Blue Jays.
Where's your watch? Want me to put it on? You gotta watch like that.
This is she ever watched.
Good age.
This is the first Christmas she ever remembers.
She won't remember this one. Okay.
Wow. She is going to be happy.
See? Now it says 129, but that's the wrong time.
I got the same thing to you. This is both the same thing. That one's yours and this one's mine.
How's that?
Gina, I gave you some earrings because you lost them. Yes. These are for you.
Yeah, you can put those on later.
Share those with Rebecca.
Okay, now
I told you that.
empty your stocking.
I told you that bottle would
Empty
have
your
done it.
stocking. See what you got.
Oh.
What's
What is
that?
that? Gum.
Gandhi.
Okay. What? Wait, Henry. Press the button. You each got your own phone. Yep, you got chapstick. What are those? Open those up. Andrew, open these up. See what they are. Where's Rebecca's? Hers are still in there. What are they?
Where are we going to go with those, you guys? That's money for where? How do you like that?
These are called gift certificates.
It's just like money.
You can go to McDonald's and buy.
And you got a phone.
Here, we'll keep the envelope. You like
Put them
that,
all into
Rebecca?
one.
You like your telephone?
That one standing by the brown
What'd you
chair.
say?
Oh. I got that.
You like, and what else did you get?
A remote.
A remote? All right. She is happy with her remote, Daddy.
It's a tablecloth. It's like a tablecloth. See?
That's
Big thing. It's got all these on.
Make it, no, make it.
Color on.
Wow.
How's that? Okay, Andrew, open this.
No.
Open that.
Yeah. I hoped it was a ball.
Throw it to me. Yeah, this is a bouncy one. We can play basketball with this one.
Yeah, it's a real ball.
Honey,
Yeah.
did you find the
Except
phone?
it doesn't have black.
No,
Andrew,
It
I could
looks
play
like it's
with
got a
you
little
with
more
that
air
too
than it
because
had in it.
my favorite
I don't
sport
know. Well,
is
maybe it was
basketball.
colder. If it
No,
warms
my
up,
favorite.
it would get better.
That's my favorite second sport because my
Open another
favorite sport is swimming.
Go to your crib, honey, so we can watch Gina. You like that?
What is
They're
it?
playing sports in that
Tell
one.
Andrew, what is it?
He can help. Andrew can help you.
Charlie Brown puzzle. They're all from down here.
It's a green, blue. I got Gaia. That's a Gaia, Mom.
Oh.
I got that, Mom.
See what that is?
Like a big calculator.
See, 1 plus 4.
Press it down and at
Press
the
it down,
bottom.
it gives you the answer.
Press the bottom of the. Oh no.
No, press,
bottom
like,
of
press
the-
any of them. Okay, 8 minus 5. Press it down. You gotta press it at the bottom though, like there. What is the answer? 7 minus 5. What's the answer? See, that's how you do it. 1
You
plus
just-
4.
You just can't
What'd it
use
say?
that during school.
You can't learn, use it during school. You have to learn.
That's to practice while you're not in school.
Okay, wait a second. Yeah, Andrew, go ahead. Oh, baby, what did you get? Slipper socks? Gloves? And what are those?
He's as thrilled as Fran was.
What are
when he
those?
got his. Those are sweat socks.
Sweat socks and
It won't be
gloves,
too big
and
for
these
ya.
are slipper socks you put on. They're going to keep your feet warm. All right, he knows.
He's
Rebecca, open up a present. Open this up. Yeah.
Look at how nice and neat she is, putting all of her stuff up there.
Okay. Open up. Rip it.
What is that?
She doesn't know yet. Rip it.
We were gonna let her
Yeah,
take
you
my
can play
plate
it.
up. We'll take it out later.
You can play it a couple minutes. You got your own Play-Doh. How's that? Is that great? Okay, I want Gina to open one. No, open this one. Oh my goodness. What is that? Chinatown. It's your own chair. For you.
How do you like that?
Go ahead. You like that? Okay, Andrew, go ahead. Or wait till Rebecca's done. Yep, you can play with her. Carefully.
You thank Aunt Lori because she gave that to us to give to you. When you see her, you tell her how much you like it, okay?
Yeah, look at what it is.
Okay, but wasn't it
That's
nice
for
of her to think
Rebecca.
of you like that?
How do you like that?
This would be a practice high.
Okay, Andrew, open up another one of yours. Socks! You got socks! She likes her animals too, huh? Alright.
What kind of batteries does that take?
This takes batteries?
I'm
She
sure.
told me to open. Another boy Barbie. They can have a son.
What's
But
his
probably
name?
I could have two. Kevin.
Look what he is. The basketball player. There's a basketball. Shorts. Got sneakers on.
They even have cheerleaders.
See, he can play basketball with some of those girls you already had to do the cheerleading. How's that?
How do you like that, Gina?
Okay, Andrew, open your
One
last
of
one.
those boys and then everybody boy Barbie could
Everybody what?
a race car.
What is it?
A truck.
Go.
And goes and goes. That's gonna be fast
You like that
outside.
truck? No. You can put it in the street and watch it go down the street. I wouldn't catch it.
You can't put in the street.
I just put it in the driveway.
How do you like that, Andrew?
Okay, Gina Marie, you got one
Andrew.
more. What do you think those are?
Andrew Bradley,
Open
you
up.
like that truck?
You don't know what it is? No? Let's find out.
A Barbie suit. A Barbie book.
What is it?
It's Barbie paper doll.
Okay, there's two there.
Okay, everybody else take their paper.
See? There's the
For
doll.
ya.
There's the dress. All the different outfits. Okay. What does it say? This is some. Wait.
This is beautiful.
Thank you. You like those? Great. Now, Rebecca, come here. You guys got one more present. This one is to all of you. That's why I had it over there. Come here, Rebecca. Sit down.
Back up, go over here a little, Andrew. Go to your left. Yes, by your stop.
Come and
That a
sit
boy.
down. Sit down, Rebecca. Okay,
My
Gina,
light
get
is
right in
dying.
here. Open this up. This is for all of you. All three of you.
Oh.
What is it?
I know. Snickerdoodle.
That could go on Funniest Home Videos. How do you like that?
Do you know what Magna Doodle is? Do you remember playing it?
Does anybody want to thank the Lord for all their presents? It's his birthday, you know.
Prayed before.
Here we are at Garden Lisa's. Christmas Day. Honey.
She's sound asleep.
Okay,
Hi, Claire.
Father Moser. His Father Moser, this is for the Moser family.
So what?
What? No, it's alright.
This goes over where your mommy sits when she comes back.
It says to Gina.
Jerry and Judy.
But it says to Gina.
No, that was for that one.
That's wrong tag.
Oh, okay.
This
This is
supposed
the
to-
whole family.
It lost the scotch tape somewhere in here.
I think it's on the back of that package.
Doesn't matter. Gina, I don't know if you can read this. Maybe Daddy will read it to you. Oh, he can read it. He did?
It depends if it's written in writing or not.
San Francisco's right along.
Either my eye is off or this focus is off. Look at my light, Todd.
Okay, see if they can top that. Yeah. Okay, we'll go over there and see if there's
Sing Silver Bells.
Jingle bells. So you're gonna get me to do it. Oh, wow. They got us from all angles. We just sang we wish you a Merry Christmas. We got all the answers.
We're having our picture taken.
Are you thinking good?
How you guys doing?
You didn't say Merry Christmas or Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas. Thank you. How you doing? You have the storm windows in these days?
Pardon? Yeah, I would.
We wish.
From their 19 drive start to the Bill 31-yard line. Esiason keeps 2 games.
I'm gonna blackmail you now, Lou.
How I wonder what you are. Up, 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 so high, like the diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what